Jai Hind and welcome to new video. Okay, in today's video we will see how to create structures. Just like in C language, creation of structures or something. Different languages have different patterns, but in Objective-C it's a pattern. Struct, then tag, then struct. This is the tag where your actually structure name. This is, you can say what you are say. This one is the variables, you can say, or small name, whatever is called. These are the structure members. Okay, these are the structure actual members. You are defining. I am defining and structure with members. Okay, employee. Sorry. Employee name, department and project. I have taken these four structure members. Okay, as you say, just write creating a structure object, structure name, and that's the instance of that structure. The structure name, instance of the structure. Any number of structures you can create. Okay, so this is the basic. Assigning is easy as usual. Structure. These are the so this is the basic informative of structures, just like creating a structure in C, Java. Same pattern, same formula. We can pass this structure in different what I can say that in different methods. Suppose guide, details, okay. So I pass this one. What we should pass? EMP1. Okay. Then I will print this one. Employee. So since I have created I have passed the struct named employee. This struct I have passed to as a parameter. Okay, and what I named it the employee. Okay, so in this employee, this structure is assigned. So this structure, and the object is employee object. So whenever I call this method, so method will tell the compiler that there is a employee structure assigned as a parameter. So this will be assigned to that. This member, structure members and structure details will be assigned to this one. Obviously, as what that doesn't mean assignments. It's already have structure members, and what will the object name is employee. So whenever you call this one, all the output will be same. See, okay. Live projects, employee 2, web, live project, simple. Pass the structures as a parameter. You can easily pass this information, and it's I think as you have already know that the structure takes the stack pattern instead of heap pattern to store the information, or it takes as a memory allocation in a stack, and where class assigned it as the heap. Okay, so instead of looking for the memory allocation or deallocation, the structure is better than class objects. So whenever it deallocate, then next memory allocation will be come in the place. So it allocate instances. So this is the best way to, if your project requirement, or if your project is demanding to module or entity model based, so you can easily process in this way. You can create a model or structure to store or some attributes, like just like this one. Okay, once you create it, next is assign. As usual, assign the name. Look at the difference. I have already same object, I have already named assign Ranjan, but it took the latest one, not the previous one. Look at the output. I have already assigned the Ranjan mobile POC, but it does not take that one. It whatever the latest assignment, it take that latest assignment as an updated one. Okay. So to design your entity models or applications entity or object models, you can easily design in this way. Okay. Hope this piece of code help in somehow to resolve your issues. Okay. Thank you friends. See you in next video.